Students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is second order differential equation with constant coefficient. These are important for any engineering courses. It may be civil engineering, it may be mechanical, it may be computer science, it may be electrical electronics. So this topics is very important and this mathematics is very important, and BHC major pass course both these are important. So we solved some problems, several problems already done. Now we consider the remaining problems. If right hand side non-zero and we have to find one particular equation solution. So solve the differential equation d square y dx square minus 2 dy dx minus 3y equal to 2 e to the power twice x plus 10 sin twice x, given that y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash 0 equal to 4. These are given condition. Now solution, we can write this one. This is d square minus twice d minus 3 into y. Right hand side remains same. 2 e to the power twice x 10 thrice x sin thrice x. We get this. So auxiliary equation m square minus twice m minus 3 equal to 0, and this is m square minus thrice m plus m minus 3 equal to 0, and m common m minus 3 plus 1 common m minus 3 equal to 0. This is m minus 3 equal to m minus 3 common and m plus 1 we get. This equal to 0. So m equal to 3, m equal to minus 1 we get. M equal to 3, m equal to minus 1. Therefore, complementary function equal to c1 e to the power thrice x, c2 e to the power minus 1x. This is our complementary function. Now particular integral. Particular integral equal to right hand side 2 e to the power twice x plus 10 sin thrice x divided by d square minus twice d minus 3. We get this. Now we separate this. If we separate this, 2 e to the power twice x by d square minus twice d minus 3 plus 10 sin thrice x by d square minus twice d minus 3. We get this. Now if it is, we know if it is exponential, the coefficient of x is 2, just putting d equal to 2. In place of d we putting 2 because coefficient of x is 2. So 2 e to the power twice x, this is 2 square 2 into 2 minus 3, and this is trigonometry sin and cos, this is sin thrice x. We putting the coefficient of x, this 3 in place of d square with minus sign, minus 3 square 2d minus 2d minus 3. We get this. So this is 2 e to the power twice x, this 4, this is 4, this is 4 cancel, we get minus 3 we get, and this one 10 sin thrice x 9 minus 3 minus 12 d 2d minus 12 we get this one. Then this is minus 2 by 3 e to the power twice x and 10 sin thrice x. From this minus 2 common, we get d plus 6, we get this, and this one cancel, we get 5. This is minus 2 by 3 minus 5 and sin thrice x by d plus 6. Now when you get trigonometry either sine or cos, we must have d square. If it is d square, then coefficient of x putting here in with minus sign. So we have to find d square. this is minus 2 by 3 e to the power thrice x minus 5. We multiplying numerator and denominator by d minus 6. This is d plus 6, d minus 6. Multiplying numerator and denominator by d minus 6. We get this. So we get this is minus 2 by 3 e to the power twice x e to the power twice x minus 5 d sine thrice x 6 sine thrice x by d square minus 6 square, because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, you know. So this is 2 by 3 e to the power twice x minus 5, and this is d square, we putting minus 3 square minus 6 square, this, and this is d dx of sin x means 3 cos thrice x minus 6 sin thrice x, and this is minus 2 by 3 e to the power twice x 5, and this is minus taking 36, and this one 9, this is 6 square is 36, and 9, this one 45, and this minus plus, and from this 2 taking 3 common, then we get cos thrice x minus 2 sin thrice x, we get this, and this is 2 by 3 e to the power twice x plus, and this one 9, 15, 1 by 3 cos thrice x 2 sin thrice x, we get this one 1 by 3 cos thrice x minus 2 sin thrice x. So this is our particular integral. Therefore, general solution is y equal to CF plus PI. This implies y equal to CF, this is our CF, C1 e to the power thrice x plus C2 e to the power minus x, and Pi, this is 2 by 3 e to the power twice x plus 1 by 3 cos thrice x 2 sin thrice x. Actually this is our answer, but here given some condition y of 0 equal to y dash 0 equal to 4. Actually this is our ending position, but we have to find particular solution, then we solve again, and this is number 1 we consider, and in the given condition here given y dash also, so we differentiate both sides with respect to x, dy dx, this is c1 d dx of e to the power thrice x, c2 d dx of e to the power minus x, 2 by 3 d dx of e to the power twice x, 1 by 3 d dx of cos thrice x minus 2 sin thrice x, we get this. Dy dx means we can write y dash x, this is y dash, and this is if we differentiate we get 3c1 e to the power thrice x, and this is minus c2 e to the power minus x minus 2 by 3 and this one if we differentiate this e to the power twice x means 2 e to the power twice x plus 1 by 3. If we differentiate this, then this is minus 3 sine 6 plus 6 cos 6. If we differentiate this, dx of cos means minus sine, then using chain rule 3 outside minus 3, and dx of sine is cos, and this 3 becomes outside 3. 3 2s are 6, and this will be y dash equal to 3c1 e to the power thrice x, c2 e to the power minus x, 4 by 3 e to the power twice x, and from this 3 common, then we get 3 common and cancel, we get minus sine thrice x minus 2 cos thrice x. We get this one. Now we consider this is number 2. Our given condition, since y of 0 equal to 2, y dash 0 equal to 4. Y of 0 we putting here 0. Now 1 implies when x equal to 0, y equal to 2. In place of y we putting 2, and right hand is c1 e to the power 0, 3 into 0 0, plus c2 e to the power minus 0 minus 2 by 3 e to the power 0 plus 1 by 3 cos 0 2 sin 0. We get this. Directly I have written this is x is 0, 3 into 0 0, this is 0. Directly we write this. So this will be, now this will be, this is, we get 2 c1 c2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 1 minus 0. So ultimately we get c1 plus c2, or we can write another step, 2 equal to c1 plus c2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and this is 2 c1 plus c2, this is minus 1 by 3, and taking this one left hand side, this implies c1 plus c2 equal to 2 plus 1 by 3, then c1 plus c2 equal to 6 7 by 3. This is number 3 we consider. Again we putting here 0. Now 2 implies putting 0, and y dash, if we putting x equal to 0, y dash is 4. This is 4 equal to 3c1 e to the power 0, c2 e to the power minus 0 minus 4 by 3 e to the power 0 minus sine 0 minus 2 cos 0. We get this. This is 4 3c1 c2 4 by 3 0 minus 2 e to the power 0 is 1, cos 0 1, sin 0 0. So this is 4 plus 4 by 3 plus 2, 3c1 minus c2. So this implies 3c1 minus c2 equal to, LCM is 3, this is 12 plus 4 plus 6. Then this will be 3c1 minus c2, this equal to, this is 18 22 by 3. 22 by 3, this is number 3 we consider. Now we adding this to this plus this, c2 c2 cancel, we get, this implies now, and this is number 4. Now 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 we get C2 C2 cancel, 3 C1 4 C1, 4 C1, and on right hand side 7 plus this 29 by 3, and this implies C1 equal to 29 by 12 we get. So putting the value of C1 in equation number 3, now 3 implies so C1 is 29 by 12 plus C2 7 by 3. C2 equal to 7 by 3 minus 29 by 12. This is 12 LCM, and this is 4 times, then 28 minus 29, and C2 equal to minus 1 by 12 we get. Minus 1 by 12. Therefore, what we get? C1 equal to 29 by 12 and C2 equal to minus 1 by 12. And putting the values, this in equation number 1. Now 1 implies, in 1 we know y equal to C1 e to the power thrice x plus C2 e to the power minus x. Now 1 implies this is our 1, y equal to C1 e to the power thrice x, C2 e to the power minus x, minus 2 by 3, this. So putting the values of C1 and C2, therefore y equal to C1 means C1 equal to minus 29 by 12 e to the power thrice x. This is 1 by 12 e to the power minus x, 2 by 3 e to the power twice x, plus 1 by 3 cos thrice x minus 2 sin thrice x. And this is the final answer. The solution is lengthy but not difficult. This is particular solution. Just we replacing C1, C2, we get this solution. This is called particular solution of the given equation. And this is our final answer. Very easy but lengthy. We consider another Mosti problem. The Mosti problem is that solve d square y dx square plus 3 dy dx plus twice y equal to sine twice x. Now we want to solve this problem. For this we can write capital D square plus 3 capital D plus 2 into y equal to sine twice x. Then auxiliary equation, in place of D we putting m square thrice m plus 2 equal to 0. If we factorize this, the coefficient of y, this is 0, when in place of D putting m. If we factorize this, we get this is twice m square plus twice m plus 2 equal to 0. This implies m common m plus 2, 1 common m plus 2 equal to 0. We get this one. So again m plus 2 is common, we get m plus 1 equal to 0. From this we get m equal to minus 2, m equal to minus 1. Therefore, complementary function equal to c1 e to the power minus twice x, c2 e to the power minus 1x. This particular integral, right hand side sine twice x by this one d square plus 3d plus 2. If this is sine or cos, then we putting the coefficient of x in place of d square with minus sign. So this will be sine twice x minus 2 square plus 3d plus 2 minus 2 square. 2 means coefficient of x 2 and this one, and this will be sine twice x, this is minus 4, so 3d minus 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. But when we get sine cos, then we must have in denominator d square. So we multiplying numerator and denominator by 3d plus 2. If we multiplying numerator and denominator 3d plus 2, then we get, this is 3d plus 2, we get this one. This cancel, ultimately you get previous term. Now this will be a minus b, a plus b, this is a square minus b square, and this is 3d sine twice x 2 sine twice x, we get this. This one 9d square minus 4. 3 d means ddx of sine twice x means 2 cos twice x and 2 sine twice x, and here in place of d square putting 2 minus 2 square minus 4, this, and this is 6 cos twice x plus 2 sine twice x, we get this one, and this is 2 square means 4, 4 9 are 36 minus 36 minus 4, so this will be minus 40, and from numerator 2 is common, then 3 cos twice x plus sine twice x, we get this one. So cancelling by 2, then 1 by 20, 3 cos twice x plus sine twice x, we get this one. So 3 cos twice x sine twice x. Therefore general solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Cf means this one, c1 e to the power minus twice x, c2 e to the power minus x, and pi means minus 1 by 2, 3 cos twice x sine plus sine twice x. This is the final answer. Very easy solution, just you have to know the procedure. If trigonometry given, what is the rule, what will be the rule, and if exponential given, what will be the rule, if algebraic given, what will be the, you should know this, and already it was given. So this is our answer. Consider some homework, so you have to try yourself for mental satisfaction. Now the problems are: solve d square x dt square 2 dx dt plus 3dx equal to sin t. Number 2, d square x dt square 2 dx dt 5x equal to sin twice t, given that when t equal to 0, x equal to 3 and dx dt equal to 0. And third number, d square y dx square minus 7 dy dx plus 6y equal to 2 sin twice x, given that y equal to 1, dy dx equal to 0 when x equal to 0. And the answer, number 1 answer is e to the power minus t a cos root 2t plus b sin root 2t minus 1 by 4 cos t minus sin t. And number 2, e to the power minus t 55 by 17 cos twice t 53 by 34 sin twice t minus 1 by 17 4 cos twice t minus sin twice t. And the last one, minus 13 by 75 e to the power 6x 27 by 25 e to the power x plus 1 by 75 7 cos twice x minus sin twice x. These are the homework, you have to try yourself. Is there any problem, you can write the comment box what are the problems, how to solve this problem. Is any kind of problem, you can ask me by comment box. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.